Huku Midwest snow imepamba, imeanza leo, so tunaenda kupata almost 5 to 6 inches, and this is how things are during the winter season. So na hii mambo bado, so this season is gonna continue until March. So what most people do here is they plow. Mi nimetayarisha my snow blower. I'm just waiting it to accumulate. As soon as ikimaliza, then I will just continue doing my stuff. Lakini this is what it is, and I'm just waiting for those ones who have not seen it. This is it, and more is coming, and I will be showing you more video of this. But this is what it is. This is the snow blower. I actually started to, let it run for some time. I just shut it down a little bit so I can talk. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just waiting it to accumulate until it is about 4 to 5 inches, because I don't want to do it all the time. I want to do one shot and then I'm done. So right now it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna wait for about 3 more hours to leave it to accumulate, and then I can use this snow blower. It's usually very fast. I can as well use my shovel, which is here. I have my shovel here, and I can as well use it to shovel areas whereby there is a lot of accumulation. But what I'm going to use is this, and it has the blouse from this side, and I'll just push it. It uses an engine, and the way it has the speeds here. So this one is the reverse, reverse 1, reverse 2, and these are the gears moving forward all the way up to 6. And this is the gear selector. This thing you see here, this handle, it moves that part to the direction where you want the snow to move to. And if you want it to move it to the right, you turn it to the left. If you want it to go straight up, it goes like that. And basically, this is the oil thing, and these are the selectors here. When you start it, when I started, I usually do press this one 3 times. These are the instructions, and turn it to the choke position, and then this selector to the run position right here. This is the key. This is the key, and to start it, you will have to pull this rope right here. Ready? I just go to work. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna let you go, but this is what it is. There's a lot of snow going to come out today. Those who have not seen the snow, is it. Other people like my neighbors over there, they use big trucks like this. This is a truck with the blower. That's what they use to farming, because they have like tenders, they go to parking lots and other places where they the other places where they can work, and it usually pays a lot during the winter. So this is the way it looks like. And so those ones who would like to follow this video, make sure you subscribe, turn your notification on. And this is the way we live around here, the US. Thank you and have a good day.